going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing a Coastal Tech Lockpick Air HDMI. So what that is, it's a unit that installs behind your radio, maintains all the factory componentry of your radio, so you're not changing anything, you're just putting a harness in between the wiring that goes to your radio, and it allows you to do amazing stuff with it. So one, you no longer have to pull your vehicle over and put in the navigation options. You can do it while you drive. Two, you can add multiple cameras, a front camera, a rear camera, a second rear camera, a left camera that activates when you put your left blinker on, and a right camera that activates when you put your right blinker on. So that's crazy. So many different options. You can also activate them when you're crawling, going off-road, anything that you want to do to make sure that you're not going to be approaching any obstacles or anything like that. On top of that, you've got a ROKU option. It's got an HDMI input. Put that ROKU in there, log into your wireless hotspot right off your phone, and you've got content from Netflix, Hulu, Showtime, HBO Go, YouTube, Pandora, anything that has got an app on a ROKU stick, you can watch it right on your UConnect screens. So our customer, Jeremy, he's actually traveling around the entire US visiting all the baseball stadiums. And what's nice is he kind of coordinated with us today to be part of his route. So while he was here, he's already gotten some MFC product from us. He's got an MFC 3-inch lift, so it's called the MFC Plus, which is the MFC and Dobinson's combined together to give you 3 inches. But he wanted to come by, have us do a pinch weld modification for him, and also this audio-visual application. So check it out. And if you have any questions, make sure you also click on the bottom, subscribe, make sure you like it. If you don't see anything else that you don't see on our content pages, make sure you just give us an inbox message, let us know what you want to see. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. It's always at mfcoffroad.com. take a look at this thing that we just installed. It's called the QuickJack 7000 EXT. It allows you to do personal maintenance on your vehicles, but even better, it helps MFC Off-Road because since we do our MFC Off-Road 2-inch lift kits here in-house, this makes it so much easier for us to put the customer's ride right on the vehicle, lift it up, bang out all 4 corners, and make sure that everything's done in a professional and seamless way. So once again, this is a QuickJack 7000 EXT. Be sure to check them out.